Hello students, how are you?
Yeah, fine, sir.
Take the question.
Sir, please explain us interrogative sentence.
Okay. Guys, today I will try my best to explain that what is the interrogative sentence. Guys, not only me, not only my student, but also everybody. Most of the students get confused that what is the exact definition for the interrogative sentence. But guys, if you want to clarify that what is the interrogative sentence, then you have to understand about WH words. Because there are two types of interrogative questions. Is that clear? Okay. Let's start. Guys, at the first, we have to talk about interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Second is that WH words. Okay. Guys, interrogative sentence always talk about yes and no. Yes and no. Interrogative sentence always start with helping verb of tense or model. Do you understand? Yes. Like for example, do you play? Do you play? Is that clear? Like, is this okay? Is this okay? Like, are you fine? Yes or no? Is that clear? Like, have you read? Did you go? Did you go? Was he going? Guys, you are looking that at the last we are using symbol of interrogation, but at the first we are using helping verb. Helping verb of the tense and helping verb of the modals. For example, can you laugh? Can you laugh? Yes and no? Guys, these type of all questions which they start from helping verb and they always ask yes and no. Do you play? Yes. Do you play? No. Guys, you have to respond only yes and no. It's mean interrogative sentence. And guys, believe me, the interrogative questions are asked in the board examination also. Is that clear? Yes. Am I sure? Yes. Okay. But guys, WH words don't ask you yes and no. They ask complete reply. Complete response. For example, I talk about what? What always ask object. Is that clear? Object name. For example, what do you eat? Mango. What do you drink? Juice. It's mean name of object. Always is asked by what. For example, how. How always ask the manner of act. The manner of act. For example, I write here manner. Okay, like I go to school by bus. I go to school by auto, by car, by train. This is the manner. So guys, if you want to find out the manner, then you have to use how. For example, why. Why means reason. Because always why ask. Why always ask reason, causes. Why are you crying? Because I am hungry. Is that clear? So guys, if you want to find out the reason, then you can use why. Is that clear? For example, when. When always ask exact time. Exact time. For example, when do you wake up? I wake up 6 a.m. That is exact time. For example, where do you play? Where do you live? It's mean where always ask place. How often? How often always ask the frequency of the action. The frequency of the action. For example, you got married first time, once. Second time, twice. Third time, thrice. So, how often always ask frequency. Frequency of action. Do you understand? And guys, for example, how far? How far means to find out distance. To find out distance. Guys, if you want to find out the distance, then you can use how far from one place to another place. Like for example, how long? It's mean the duration between two times. Duration of the time. Duration of the time. Okay. Then you can use how long. How many? How many is used to find out the countable numbers. Countable numbers. Countable nouns, sorry. We can use. Guys, how much is used to find out uncountable nouns? Is that clear? Do you understand? Then you can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, who? Who always ask about subject. Subject with living nouns. Okay. Whom always ask about object as a living nouns. Is that clear? For example, which always ask about specific person, specific things given from the data. With the options we can use to pick the option, to choose the option. We can use which also. Is that clear? For example, whose. Whose always is used to ask the ownership and belonging with the nouns of the owner. Is that clear? So guys, all the WH words are used to ask everything with the details, with the logic, with the concept. Then we can use here all the WH words. Is that clear? According to board examination. But guys, remember that interrogative questions which start from the helping verb and the finishes with the symbol of interrogation, then always remember that you have to respond according to yes and no. Is that clear? Is that clear? Yes. Am I done? So guys, I hope you have understood about the all WH words and all interrogative formats. Then how can you respond the answer according to board examinations? And guys, if you like this video, then you can share it to social media handles. Thank you so much guys. All the best.